few years ago, I was just like people out there, and if you're watching this video right now, keep watching, please hear the truth, okay? Scrolling on my phone, watching other people succeed on YouTube, wondering how on earth did they do it. A lot of creators out there, thousands, sometimes millions of viewers they have got, and even kept thinking myself, why a lot of people they succeed on social media, creating content out there and benefit other people, help other people out there. I was wondering, why am I consuming quite a lot? Could I ever do something like that? I doubt it. Would I start? Then what if nobody watches my videos? So right now, my channel is still quite small at the moment, but what if people laugh at me? I was all the time judgmental about my actions, about myself at the same time. What if I fail? What if I didn't make it? So for quite a long time, I did nothing, okay? And about a year ago, I just watched from sidelines, and until one day something checked in my mind, okay? I realized something very, very simple. Every big creator out there that I admire to be like them, watching, and it started from zero. They have completely started from zero. They all had first video, they all had awkward moments, they all had a video that barely got any viewers, and thought to myself, if they can start, why can't I? So I decided to try to actually start a YouTube channel. No expensive equipment at the same time, no professional editing skills. I edit my videos myself. A very simple idea that courage is to press the record, okay? And honestly, if you're about to start content creation, please do start content creation, because you never know. This content creation is not just about having money, it's not just about building lots of thousands, lots of millions. My audio wasn't great a year ago since I started, and I believe that the editing as well was messy, and a lot of it, and even till right now, is still messy, and I barely get any views. Even right now, sometimes you can't understand the metrics, because the metrics works quite differently. Sometimes the algorithm might push your video, sometimes might not, and I remember kind of like a refreshing page again, hoping to see numbers go up, but they didn't. For the moment, I thought maybe this isn't for me, but then I asked myself a different question. What if I just kept going without even kind of caring about viewers and numbers out there? So I made another video, then another, and another, and slowly something interesting started happening. I began improving, my editing got better, my storytelling improved a little bit, and I became more confident speaking on a camera. And the numbers slowly started to go from 10 to 50, and even from 50 to 500. And I've got some videos at the moment, they got about 1,000 of viewers, and then one day I woke up and I saw something I never expected. A video had thousands of viewers, and it might not sound like much, but for some people, but for me, that was a proof that my voice could reach people. But here is something that nobody tells you. Most people don't realize this. The biggest change wasn't about the viewers, okay? It was starting a YouTube channel forced me to grow, push me to learn new skills, and even help me to overcome my fear, and even help me to believe in my ideas. So, and most importantly, I showed up. That sometimes the biggest opportunities in life is start with one small decision: pressing record, pressing upload, and even take chance on yourself. So if you're watching this right now and you're about to start content creation and you've been thinking about it, starting a YouTube channel, even TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, it doesn't really matter. Let me know in the comment section below. So are you starting? Have you ever started? And if you don't even need to be perfect, mate. So you don't need to have 1,000 followers, you just need to start, okay? Because one day you might look back and that the first video that you've uploaded and realize that it was just a moment everything has changed. For me, starting a YouTube channel completely changed my life. and it will change yours too. So if you like what you saw today, let me know in the comments, and if you're documenting your journey at the moment, let's grow together. Let me know in the comment section below.